Do trees talk to each other? And if so, how do they do it? Well, they don't talk in words, but they do communicate with each other through their roots. See, all trees have this one thing in common. They all have a root system that connects them to other trees in the forest. And through this root system, they can pass messages along to each other. The way they do this is by releasing chemicals into the air. And these chemicals are picked up by the roots of other trees. Depending on what the message is, the trees will respond in different ways. For example, if there's a potential threat, like a wildfire coming, the trees will release a chemical that makes the leaves of other trees drop. And the trees that don't release the chemical will be the ones that catch fire. So yes, trees do talk to each other through their roots. And it's a fascinating way of communicating that we're just beginning to understand.